Now that we have completed the shapeshifter potion table, it's time to work on the happy potion table. Look at the table for the happy potion. Format all cells containing money as a currency to 2 decimal places. I'll show you that since we have done it already for the first one, this becomes so easy. I will select one that has already currency and 2 decimal places. I will choose Format Painter, and I will come to costs, because costs is money, and I'm going to put it right here. And you see I formatted for money and 2 decimal places. I can also do the same for the column total costs, because this will have to be money and also at 2 decimal places. I'm going to do the same here for total cost. Okay, now let's see what's the next instruction. In cell D13, write a formula to calculate the costs for creating a happy potion. Then with autofill, drag this formula down for cells D14 to D19. And in cell D20, write a formula to add up the costs in cells D13 to D19. So basically, all that we did for the other table. So let's look what we'll do here. D13 is right here, and the formula is equals the cost for each newt times the number of newts. I press enter, I have the result. I can select it again, go to the side where the cursor changes its shape, and I click and drag down all the way to D19. So I have all my multiplications done. For the total cost, I have to go here to the auto sum. I choose sum. It has selected already D13 to D19. I press enter, and I'm done. I already have the total cost. Let's just see what is the instruction for the next step. Now you are going to complete the table for making an intelligent potion. At the moment, the cost of each ingredient has not been filled in. Click into cell B4 in the shapeshifter potion. Look at the formula bar. So we'll have to go back here. This doesn't have the costs. If I go here, B4, it says here, cost of ingredients, exclamation mark, B18. What does this mean? Cost of ingredients, this means that something has picked up from the other sheet called cost of ingredients. As you see here, cost of ingredients is the other sheet. B18 means that whatever value is in cell B18 in the cost of ingredients sheet will now be picked up and displayed in B4. Let's have a go, and it will become clear then. But we'll do this only in the next video.